I put that right there. 22 by 3, 22 wide and 3 inches high. Half of the glass window. I'm doing this. Happy Mother's Day, y'all. So this is in front of my door. So that is going to level down and chiseled off to measure flat with the wall. That is going to take off and have a square in the corner. These are going to take down and flat. My door is going to come to the corner here. And the same glass window that is going to go there is going to come here. So all of this is going to chisel off, flat down. This is going to deck. That's going to take off, but it's there right now because I need to get that bit off, and chisel that. So if it rained, it doesn't go back in, because if it rained and that removed, this is going to send the water in. So I have to take off that half inch. Yes, in the future, I'm going to get matching doors. Tie with a sloop, like from 3/4 inch down this side with a sloop. Yeah, I do not use cord or anything. Whenever time I'm tiling it or I get somebody to tile it, then they have that disaster to deal with. But so far so good. Gonna build a column here because yesterday I get to about 12 o'clock to somebody to come and help me, and we start work 1 o'clock. It took us a while to get down the post, and then because the person have a hangover, he had us to stop. So gonna put a column here, and brace that to the wall and deck everything. This is going to be the kitchen pull out. It's going to be decked, and this is going to deck flat like modern, and it's going to come out about a feet and go out flat, rectangular, modernized shape. And the top is going to go up, modern, flat, square. So this is how the front of the building is going to be. You're not going to see the fascia board or the fascia board. I'm going to put pipes in here and a pipe in here to let off the water that come off the roof. Yep, so you're going to have an 1.5 inch wastewater pipe in it to let out the water, not sticking out like oh, I see those places. I hate that. It's going to go down in and pitch out. So I hate seeing buildings with the pipe sticking out of the building like tentacles. Did I mention I'm going to change the doors, both doors, to be the same, to make it uniform? Happy Mother's Day for all the moms. If you watch it to the end, happy Mother's Day.